How to hide photos on iPhone and even hide the hidden album. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Photos app on your device and then open the photo that you want to hide, or you can also simply select a bunch of pictures that you want to hide. Now tap on the three dots you see there and you will see the option for hide. Tap on that and in the confirmation that appears, tap on hide photo. And now if you want to hide the hidden album too, then simply go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and in the search bar search for photos and tap on it. Once you have opened the photo settings, you will see the option for Show Hidden Album. Go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for Show Hidden Album, and with this, the hidden album will be disappeared from your Photos application too. So this is how you can hide photos on iPhone and even hide the hidden album. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.